class is usually instructor. It's gonna, it might seem more like doing what you're supposed to. I don't know, they have to ask for it.
Like 6 minutes ago, they did an exercise collective, so they just gave her.
We'll explain it in a minute.
They're all saying, awesome. Hello. Incredible.
Halloween candy. My child won't eat candy. She likes Dove George chocolate.
Ooh, I like Dove milk.
This is because I the expensive stuff to go to the bathroom.
Is it 1 or 12? I can't remember. Yeah.
I just felt bad because they didn't get to,
If you don't mention who you usually get I didn't know you were, but I just felt bad. It's a check. You yeah. It says that Caroline and Ryan. Outlook email? Oh, that's fine.
Do you need our names on these?
Yes.
Yeah, put your name on everything.
We're gonna grade you in school.
How many years now?
My favorite is like when they get 100. I'm like, I have 3 100s. There's no names on any of them. Who wants
I take off
100?
points purely out of
Is that on? Let's like get straight.
Like, why did I lose a point?
Maybe put a marker under it.
Danielle,
Yes.
yeah, I see it, November 16th. It's the other class.
And like we didn't.
Yeah, I'll get the feedback to you this week, it's fine. All you have to do is do a template, you did it, so you're fine.
Okay, guys. We are presenting to you the ecosystem cycles, or more specifically, the hydrogen, nitrogen, and hydrological cycle.
And how Earth recycles energy.
Alright, so the carbon cycle is the first one that I put on here. And carbon makes up all living things and is found almost anywhere in the environment. It comes from animal and plant respiration. That's part of the last part. It's part of plant and animal respiration. It can uptake carbon from the water, like the ocean, and auto emissions, factory emissions produce carbon, and it is used by plants during photosynthesis. Decaying plants, animals, and waste are a form of organic carbon that eventually deteriorates into fossil fuels. And the carbon dioxide that is put into the air acts as a greenhouse gas, which keeps the earth warm and heats up the earth more as we keep adding to it.
That was my question.
Yes.
Got you. What happens if there's too little carbon dioxide?
Then we'll go into an ice age.
It can
Die.
the plants can't or do enough photosynthesis to support life.
And this is a lovely image we provided for you to better help you visualize this cycle, because sometimes images are better than words. Do you have any questions? Where does it start?
It's a cycle.
It's a cycle. Does it start anywhere?
Can you tell us what a cycle is?
Bonus points. Bonus points for knowing what a cycle means.
So can you start anywhere?
Yes, in the cycle.
So that's the answer.
Yep. That's
Okay.
Ooh, that was cool. We also have the nitrogen cycle. And you know nitrogen is a component in all living organisms. It exists in the atmosphere. It's used by plants, and then when animals eat the plants, they acquire the nitrogen, and then this is then transferred to the cycle through the animal's waste, like when cows fart. Animal cows poop as well.
The cow pooping is my example of that.
And then it can be purified by the nitrifying bacteria, which changes the product to peroxide, which is assimilated back into the plant's roots for animals to consume. And then this is then processed by denitrification bacteria to denitrify the compound back into the plant, so they can be restart the cycle.
It remakes the nitrogen gas and stuff in the air.
Wrong way. No, go back. Okay. It's a limiting nutrient in nature and agriculture. Higher use fertilizers and all those good things.
Manures.
Manures. And another lovely image.
That looks like the carbon cycle.
They're very different images.
What's the difference?
The nitrogen fixation and the bacteria with ammonia,
It's got the same background, but there are different things synthesized.
yes. Would you like to go back?
No,
So you're looking at soil and carbon, and you're not necessarily focusing on the bacteria that are using to decompose the nitrogen and convert it. And in the hydrological cycle, the water cycle is driven by the sun's energy. The sun warms the ocean surface and other surfaces of water, causing liquid water to evaporate and ice to sublime, and turn directly from a solid to a gas. These sun-driven processes move water into the atmosphere in the form of water vapor. Over time, water vapor is in the atmosphere, condenses into clouds, and eventually falls as precipitation, rain, or snow. When precipitation reaches Earth's surfaces, it has a few options. It may evaporate again, flow over the surface, or percolate, which is sinking down into the ground.
And this should be the cycle that you all are the most familiar with, I think.
Why do some people get acid rain and some people get regular rain?
Acid rain is the carbon dioxide mixing in.
What about sulfuric acid? Sulfuric acid acts with acid rain.
It does.
Okay.
I think that happens specifically in Germany.
What? Huh?
I think the sulfuric acid in the rain is specifically for Germany.
Yeah.
Because they have, I
I
think,
did not know that.
You're right.
lakes that have such a high, yes,
Hey, when did you learn
sulfuric
it from?
content
I know,
that
I
it
didn't know.
evaporates up into their entire water supply.
Huh. That's cool. I mean, it's not cool.
And
Not cool for
it's
them.
cool here, but not over there.
As we pollute our earth more, we make more acid rain. So
Yeah,
we
that's
should
true.
recycle.
Dumping chemicals into bodies of water makes that a lot worse.
And then we provided you with another image that you should be very familiar with because you start going over this in elementary school.
True.
That is going to bring us to our first activity today, which is
Yep, it's the cubes. So you have a sheet,
Woohoo.
each of you have a sheet, should have 10 blanks. And you start at the station you're at, whatever cube you already have in your hands, and you roll it. And you write down what it tells you. It'll tell you where you're supposed to go and why. You write that down in the little boxes, and then you actually move to the next station.
Each table has a station, like
Or
this one
two.
is ocean, you have
Plants.
plants, I think animals,
Groundwater.
mountains, so you can get up, let's move around.
Ignore the big posters for now, those are later.
Oh yeah, and then this is a basic rule. If it tells you to stay in the same station more than twice, just go ahead and move on to something else.
Does anyone have any
People
questions?
in their natural environment. Just might pick it up and carry it around, see what it
I'm trying to come up with. These are fun.
They're cute. I did it with the 6th graders.
Brush today.
They didn't handle it as well as you're handling it.
I don't know how to take that.
There are
cubes are
also
a weapon.
other ways to
Oh.
do it too if you are interested for your classroom.
That's true. It's
Because you can have them work in pairs, and so they would be like molecules bound together versus three clouds where they would be a single molecule that would break apart.
yeah. And on the back of this one, it's like a little summary, like where you can say where the water cycle took you as a droplet of water. But for the 6th graders, instead of writing it, they had them illustrated as part of the cartoon.
Where'd you find that?
Diaz made those.
But where do you find the link?
I have it. If you want.
Yeah.
I don't think
It's weird. I'll
this doesn't make any sense. This doesn't make any sense.
Ask one of your teachers.
Teacher, this isn't making sense. Animals.
So that's what happened. What's it? Where is it?
Yeah, this is after using water.
Water and stream. So
Yeah,
you're a water.
water.
So you're a water molecule.
You know what? Why am I a water molecule?
Because that's what this is.
Yeah, okay, you guys are all pretending, no, you're pretending you're a water molecule, and now you become
Oh, I'm the water molecule that has come into the animal.
consumed by the animal.
I thought I am the new thing.
No, sorry, I did not explain this well.
Okay, wait.
So you can visit them and tell them, make sure they come back.
Did you hear what I said to her?
Do
you understand that you're a water molecule?
Yeah.
Into the mouth?
Yeah, eat out, evaporate from the mountain.
Go to the
Cloud.
cloud. Yeah.
Up in the clouds.
So
do you understand that you are a water molecule?
I do now.
Okay.
I did not.
Okay. I just like do you understand that you are a water molecule?
Yes, ma'am.
Mountain, yay, nobody cares. You're a water molecule. And you evaporated from the clouds and then you're precipitated down into the ocean.
You're doing your best. What do you think you're not doing?
I was,
Yeah, it's right there.
I'm following like my train of thought here, where you go, I was asking like where it's taking.
Yeah.
So I was like, I got trained by flowers.
Well, they're up in the mountains.
We got ocean out.
I'm
trying
to get a little more creative.
Plants.
I didn't realize I was doing it wrong. I was like,
Sorry, darling.
Just write it out.
Oh my God.
So what is it?
Honestly, I don't care. I'm not going to
the
okay,
cloud,
yeah.
man. That's some bull crap.
I'll actually let you do it without editing it. I mean, it's worst case scenario, you
Did you see those
gotta.
videos of yourself?
Can I stop getting
Yeah,
clouds?
we just have to edit it. If
We
you
already
need to
went-
edit it for saving, find a way to do that.
10 seconds.
Also, we don't have to, we just have to social here.
Oh, I'm sorry. Let's turn the volume down.
Oh, we just have.
So it's
Wait,
good.
wait,
I started grading your.
So should we say we go back to the plant? I mean, go to the cloud? Go back to the cloud?
We'll see. I'll give you feedback.
He did that shit to us. Please, ma'am.
Oh my God, it's
We were trying to write our.
in your video, I was in the background going,
Okay, we'll play for 2 more minutes.
So now, hopefully you should have been your water tackle.
yeah, we have 3 of them.
Whoever has a
How many waters?
Going back to the cloud.
I'm always in the clouds.
Finish up on this one you're about to go to, and then we have another activity.
Look, we'll just flip it like you did.
I think we're going to the same place. Copy that.
See the steam, water.
Fresh carbon from the, what?
Stop where you're at.
Tilt. Okay. Now, once you're done writing, let's divide into 3 groups.
It'll be 2 of 2 and 1 of 3.
Hey, homie.
Okay, 2 of 2.
Okay.
How many did you get?
How many are?
You guys can
I
stay
finished
there.
it.
You can stay
I
there.
finished
We're gonna
it.
stay here, guys. Move over here.
Stay here.
This was a water.
Oh, fancy.
I love the cow.
Oh wait, there's a cow on each of them. It's my
Okay.
first time.
And
He looks a
let's
little
see.
hungry there.
Yeah, that looks like a thin cow.
Okay, what you're going
Because
to
he's not really
do
a
here
big part of what's
is
going on in that one.
He's
open
lean.
up
She got
your
big udders.
Ziploc bag.
Yeah.
This is a day big.
They're velcro that took about 30 minutes by itself.
Aw, you really did a
emailed
good
them.
idea, then you started doing that.
Email them.
Why did I do that? You should have laminated
And the
it.
president.
I know, I just wasn't here.
I was
So, you guys are
You
doing
eliminated
the cycle.
Yes.
Groundwater? This is groundwater.
Groundwater is in the ground.
Where's the ground?
Are you sure?
We don't have no for our ground.
Ground. Here, from
No,
Fun.
ground here. Because it's coming from the
I
ground.
like it.
This is evaporation.
No, ground.
Transpiration's here because it's coming from the lake.
I'm not helping. You got
That's precipitation, girlfriend.
Ooh, I like this.
What is wrong with you right
That's
here?
condensation. That's precipitation. Good job. Groundwater.
Where's the can? Where's the can?
Wow.
Yeah, candy would have been a great idea. I'm sorry, I'm not.
Water. Now we have to mix it up for the next group.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Put it back in the little baggie and shake it around.
I feel so bad that it's not laminated. I don't
about
want to do
it.
that.
Yeah.
It is, because she needs to be able to reuse it.
Truth.
Oh, yeah.
You'd be very down it.
Oh, can you give me my phone?
Oh, yeah, you use it.
Yeah.
Why?
If I can take it, because I won't remember it.
What for?
Because I should teach this.
Yeah, I don't. Hence me not knowing the difference between condensation and precipitation.
Denitrification. Getting denitrification. That's nitrogen. But nitrogen fixation and
She said we gotta go to the
legume roots or something.
Pretty good. Pretty good. Make sure you laminate it.
NO2 becoming
This
any of
one's a
these.
type of bacteria. Oh. The ones under the bacteria.
You could even do it on, does your school have a poster maker?
I don't know.
Use a poster maker so the whole thing will be laminated.
We have somebody who laminates.
Laminates like large things. There you go. That'll do. That'll do, donkey. That'll do.
One person to do laminate.
Private in Brookhaven. Actually, I don't think they want me to break it.
I know. Every time I try to use our laminator, they're like, What?
What? Oh, they did our turn. Can we move?
We're gonna give you guys about 2 more minutes, and then we're gonna rotate.
What do we do
This
when we're
way.
done?
This way.
We're going.
You study it for your post-assessment.
I don't understand why I need to know this.
Yeah.
Like, how am I gonna use this in my real life?
Yeah, how is this relevant to me? So dumb.
You know what? I told one of my students, we were talking about genetics, and I was like, you know why I do these things? And like, mom was like, because just last night I was out to dinner with my mom, and I was talking to a stranger, and they're like, you were talking to a stranger? And I was like, all the time. That's beside the point. The point is,
Okay, are you guys about ready to switch?
and then so when she was just talking about her job, she was talking about cells, I knew she was talking about because
Now.
I had a base knowledge.
I tell them they need to know
Rotate.
next when they're failing in their carbon. Rare.
Oh, you don't need a water one, do
Did you get that on there?
I'm dancing it.
Right here.
For extra points. I'm sorry, I'm like,
So we're going.
Look.
I ain't gonna know it, no way. No battle.
Dr. Ahmed would be proud.
The nitrogen cycle. More cows.
Video evidence of the hard drive.
Nitrogen bacteria. Oh boy.
You can join that.
Claire, you feel better?
Claire, nice of you to show
Claire,
up.
sit here. Nitrogen cycle. Are you feeling better?
A little bit. I took some medicine.
When do you want to go to last? What's up? You go to school today?
No.
Okay. Oh, gotcha. Okay. No, you're right. I'm sorry. Okay, nitrogen cycle.
This has to be this. What you know about the nitrogen cycle?
Denitrogen, so it's making it back to the
Well, when you get there.
I'm only on chapter 3 out of 14. And it takes me a while.
Oh, that's bacteria.
Oh, this is nitrogen fixation
Yeah,
over here.
that's arrow.
Unless it's that one. I'm confused.
Whoa. Yeah, that's gonna be the bacteria one.
What is assimilation?
That's it.
Yeah, this is ammonia right here.
Do we have more things than spots?
No, we have 2 more.
I'm not too sure.
It's making a nitrate. No, that's nitrate.
That's not like
This is
What is that?
This is ammonia. This is ammonium.
Would this be ammonia?
Unless it's yeah, maybe you're right.
Would this go? Oh, but this one says bacteria. Nitrogen bacteria. It's gotta be that guy. Right? Where the bacteria at?
Camera angles.
How's it looking?
You're real close.
Oh,
You've got
yeah.
two of them switched backwards. No, the bacteria ones are fine. It's two of the process ones. That one, yeah, that one is wrong.
This is wrong.
But you need to figure out where it needs to go. The bacterial names will help you figure this out like a lot. The assimilation one's right.
Excuse us, teacher.
It's going back into the plant.
Okay. What's the one we gotta replace? What's the one we know?
This one's wrong. And probably this one.
No, that one's right, because you got it lined up with where the bacteria
Ooh.
is telling you to go. See,
She said,
denitrification,
oh,
bacteria
to process
denitrifies. Yeah.
This has to be
Yeah.
yeet.
What's this got it?
There you
You
go.
done yielded.
Oh yeah. Not even a
Fabulous.
biologist way.
Good job.
Obviously.
Alright. Okay.
Perfect, okay.
Nitrification. Is that
Now
the
we gotta
lightning
switch
bolt?
one more time, now that we're all on the same page. Tear the little things off. Gotta switch around over here. Alright, we're switching again. You guys get to do the hard one now.
Oh wait, we gotta get Rangers on. Don't let them. Oh my God! Cheaters! Don't look, Aaron.
No.
It's our hard work.
You missed one. You missed one.
Oh dear. I quit. I'm quit cheating.
You're not allowed to quit.
Okay, students, are you having a great time? Yes, ma'am.
Is this your favorite class?
No.
Oh.
Yes, it is.
We're your favorite teachers.
Wow, I don't know. Where would sunlight go?
Oh man.
Fossil goes right, and fossil fuels go over here.
I don't know. Sunlight goes over there. Animal respiration. Wow, I don't know. Root respiration. Wow.
Good job, you are getting it.
So
Dead
smart.
organisms and weight.
She might need a bonus activity because she's too smart for my lab.
Land respiration. Wow.
How would you like to write an essay on the nitrogen cycle?
We'll pass.
Ocean
Same,
uptake.
honestly.
Ocean uptake. Oh.
Sorry, my ocean's a little bit small compared to everything else.
Okay.
That's a fossil.
Well, I get that, but
That makes fossil fuel.
wow. Alright.
Yeehaw.
Good job, you guys did this in record time.
Yeah.
Bro, this shit's
My top two.
What?
My top two students.
You can't look. You can't have the answers. You gotta do it yourself. I'm sorry.
Oh, it's time for Diaz to do a solo round. No pressure, I'm only recording
Got
it.
it. I believe in you.
Doesn't Summer have wonderful illustrations?
This is it.
I wish I could draw like that.
Do you like my little cow? Does my cow get us bonus points?
I think it's pile up.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay, well, do it after these. What's taking so long?
Well, I don't, well, as soon as this comes out of the leaves, not into the leaves, animal.
I'm gonna rip it apart. There was some energy transfer arrows in it.
That's definitely sunlight. I'm down with that. How is that? Oh, yeah. Fun. I love this, what you've done here. Planet respiration. Okay. Ocean uptake.
The blue.
The ocean's tiny.
And this green
Fossil and fossil fuels. Cute. I like this one. Auto emissions and factory emissions. This is cute. Love it. Dead. Dead organisms and waste.
I think one of them slipped under here.
Let's get into it.
I think you lost one under here.
On the sun,
Plant respiration.
on the sun, you put the sunlight.
That makes sense. Oh, I forgot that sun had Velcro. Root respiration. Root. Oh, okay. This is fun. I'm gonna do some of this poster Velcro. Yeah, I'm digging it, man.
You can get a whole like foot-long roll of it at Home Depot for $7.
Yeah. This is beautiful.
Thank you.
I should laminate it for future
I know.
reference.
I'm gonna have to go home and peel all the Velcro off and put it on something that I can keep it on.
Oh, that's true. Well, I'll just leave it like this. It's gonna rip it.
How breakable is it? Tears it in half.
Very good.
Thank you.
All
All right, solid. We have our post assessment, and that's it.
Okay, good. So if y'all want to set up your technology right now, yeah.
All right, you want to give our post assessment?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
By the time I get ready to charge it from my
This one was.
Some of them, like, they doesn't have to say it. I know. And this is Series 3, they just came out with Series 4, which is like.
Oh, well, I was trying to get more out of it. Yeah, I didn't feel like you had enough for.
It ends up with Wi-Fi too.
Yeah, so that's me. So it was something to do with the concept is what I was thinking. Because I didn't think the meaning of we're talking organism population,
Auto and factory division.
I didn't think you really get much talk around the word. Yeah. I just didn't think it was the best
Oh,
idea.
fun, that too. You got it. Hey, you can do it.
Apply it differently to and you get some talk about it.
Is there not a minute?
Should we go over this part, or
So,
we can go over it after they're done?
Right? Look, just
what I would
you.
say is that this is part of the what you're gonna do right now is
No.
They're doing the post assessment.
it's part of
Okay. Then we're gonna go over it.
It's part of seventh graders do.
So are they right? Go check them.
Okay, I'll go check.
10 for 7.
Explain to them to tell us when they're done.
Part of the lesson.
Are you done?
This way. I think I got one wrong. I can't remember which one I got wrong. Number 7.
So I'm trying to answer your question.
Plants absorb nitrogen.
Tell them that slide
They
one,
don't.
find an image.
Yeah, from the roots.
Following the tropical rainforest pathway or the
Right.
find an image for your biome, and then the PowerPoint is slide 4 in your Prezi.
That's a joke. I would laugh at a teacher if they
Tell them to just tackle
straight
that
up.
part of it. Give an
That's
example
funny.
of
Shut the fuck up.
within your biome, give an example.
Because it's usually the teachers that like can't even control the class anyway that want to take them to office. And the one time that I decided, yeah.
Get out, like, please stop.
Yeah. And that's the other thing too. A lot of these teachers that are
You
teachers
could
now, they just
report out,
can't
have
handle
every
the
group
new school kids. They just need to be done.
critters, community, and ecosystem of
Because they're bad. They just don't know how to like handle them. Or little Johnny, little Johnny talks all class. Okay, maybe your class is fucking boring. Or maybe he knows all class.
Instead of having to report out to the whole class,
They're super funny.
you could.
Have you done your
That
post
too.
assessment yet, Claire?
Oh, I got everything.
If you have every group count out 1 to 4,
That's so
have all ones
stressful.
go through the
They mad because they
They
don't do
can
it.
talk within their group
And
about
number 7 is
So I
false.
was like, he's just trying to be
their
funny,
biome,
like,
but the point
I
is
know you don't
not
get that.
Yeah.
sorry, we're.
Yeah.
You can have.
What's the terminology difference?
Yeah, but you have them tell the example of each. The challenge is to give their examples and use in every conversation use the forward, like our. our organism is popular. Just have them give you examples using the words.
How far is it from
So
here?
you're counting.
30 minutes?
Yeah, so.
Escalade, that's not 30 minutes, I'm very Parkway.
Show the PowerPoint, tell them.
I gotta get sleep. About 20, 30 minutes.
What are you walking?
Remind.
Are you really walking?
You really are?
No, I live across the street from the stadium. I mean, from the Kennesaw Stadium. So it takes me 20 minutes, 5 minutes to get there with all the traffic.
You asked me what to do, and I have no idea. But just,
When you're walking for it? Oh, okay.
You're simply gonna.
I really, he said you walking. I was like,
You decided.
give me a reason to do my time.
So we're gonna use the class time to work on one part of it. Really emphasize. So pretend you're a 7th grader who's doing a bio project for a week, but today we want to really get clear about these 4 terms. To do that, you're going to have to come up with examples of these 4 terms.
What's the difference?
So basically, you're making one PowerPoint slide. Go to slide 4, what's the credits?
It's like a small
Search on your
phone
phone.
display.
Find
Yeah.
examples. Kind of living things.
4 years ago I went. I did pretty good. 2 years ago I tried. When my kids asked me, I was like, obviously, they're like, what's this disease?
And that's already on there. And they don't have to do anything. You wanted to bring up
You have a lot of stuff you want to do?
I didn't go through any.
We don't need to add that.
No, you don't have to in this.
I have some experience.
It's too much for now.
Nitrogen fixation, you're converting the bacteria into ammonia. Or the
We're gonna have zip lining.
Yeah, I'm there at the cabin up there.
fixation, the bacteria is converting into ammonia.
I went zip lining in Mexico. I was like, I was so scared too, and I did.
Y'all go get your.
No, I went zip lining.
Get your president up and your PowerPoint out.
But what there was.
And just take over whatever like that.
Yeah, I still got it wrong. I was like, wow. You know, that shit seems so far stretched at this point. That might. If I'm getting
I'm not trying to be hard, I'm actually very serious, they're really hard. Nitrogen's like,
I'm all over it. It's not in my content.
Squeeze me with right.
I did that on Friday. I had the best
but it's just like,
Hey, will you
I like to
Are we done? Are we done?
Did you guys finish your post-assessment? Okay, so for number 1, Earth does not recycle energy and matter. What do you guys think? False. You are correct. Number 2, plants and animals undergo cellular respiration.
True.
True. You are correct. Number 3, auto and factory emissions do not affect the carbon cycle. False. That is correct. They affect the carbon cycle. Number 4, lightning is a major factor in the nitrogen cycle. True. That is correct. Number 5, oceans are the only source for evaporation. False. That is correct. Number 6, precipitation only occurs on land.
Not true. False.
That is false. Correct. Number 7, plants absorb nitrogen through the air. False. Where do they absorb nitrogen?
Your roots.
That is correct. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
That sounds like ammonia.
I don't know how to make it stop. I'm afraid to touch anything.
You guys need these back for your...
Maybe, I guess. I'm just not going to touch it. I don't want to touch it. I don't want to mess it all up and.
Okay, so we hit.
So.